always come at the most unexpected time. I told you. How tired I am. Just came back from 2 hours of skating and 3.5 hours of partying. Awesome though. Really fun. Oh, that's my arm. That's my ear. After some hiccups, I always have to burp. I don't know why. It's late. I'm late. That's how late it is. It's so late, it's early. That makes sense, actually. It's 1:10 or something like that. I'm holding my breath. I can't breathe. I don't get it. Maybe if I try. I don't know. That's the only way I know. Actually, I have another way. I'm gonna get some water. Right here. I have one strong jaw. I wonder, do I have to talk so much? And hiccup so much? I can cure these things in 2 seconds. It works every single time. You have to... Okay, so you drink water, right? You hold... Wait, what do you do? Oh, you hold your... No, you don't hold your head. You hold your breath. You drink some water. You keep holding your breath even after you swallowed. Then you slowly let your breath out. Watch. You watch. They're gone. I told you. Works every time. Every single freaking time. All I have to do is burp. You have to get rid of the aftermath of hiccups. God, I'm really tired. Oh yeah. Those are my hiccups.